Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
So I want to actually highlight this over here is just go to, if you see this particular business process which is for hire. Are in 1, 2, 3. If I go to the process, if you see over here, it shows first it was initiated. Next, it shows approval by manager. You may be wondering where this approval by manager is coming from. When I go to my business process, the first step that needs to happen over here is approval by manager. By manager here for this particular supervisory organization. Whoever is the approver, which is manager, it needs to go across to the approver by manager. And next, whoever is going to be the security admin, it will go for a creation of a Workday account. Next, if the edit Workday account is applicable, it will go to the next. And then it will go across to compensation partner for proposal of a compensation and then pay group assignment. And all the other relevant steps. That is typically how this particular business process will work. Once you create the pre-hire, it will automatically come back to the hire page where you just have to fill the information and click on OK. It will come to this particular page right after this. Alright. Now we have the assignment of the rules and everything is also completed right now. We have currently assigned as the manager. Now, what I'm going to go across right now is, like I said, it's a very, very lean supervisory organization that I have for hiring a test supervisory organization. I go to staffing and this particular position, which is unfilled. So the other position, it is in progress right now for destination, which is one for test. Now I'm going to go across to this particular position over here and then go across to hire. And I choose the second hire option for hiring an employee. And I go to creation of a new pre-hire. I'm not choosing an existing pre-hire. Some issue with that? I'll go to creation of a new pre-hire and I'm going to create a new pre-hire and I'm going to say test. I'm going to go to the and I go across to the contact information. I go across to the phone number and I entered a valid phone number right now. And then I say it is going to be a mobile type as home. That's it. And the rest of them should be fine over here. And why I'm just giving you this. I will show you that as well. And here those of you who are not clear as to what was going on. After I hit creation of a pre-hire, all that I do is I click on OK and immediately it goes across to the hire screen over there where this pre-hire information is going to be automatically transferred to the hiring information. So this is going to be the employee whom I'm going to be hiring, and this information will automatically flow over there and my hiring date. I'm going to give it as yesterday's date in the system and employee type. I'm going to give it as regular. And all that I do is click on Submit Right. Oh, why is it coming as reassigned over here for this as well? This shouldn't come as reassigned. What is the date of this assignment? Is it assigned today, or is it assigned as of yesterday? Yesterday, so that should also be coming up properly, because that unassigned task will go across when I do not have somebody assigned to that particular role. And since we already assigned it, this is also perfect. We have a couple of people who have been assigned both Carolee as well as, and this is the Carolee 2.0.1.9.8. It's the same. I'll do one thing, I'll just knock this out. So let's clean it up.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.